Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can quickly fix the issue of your private chats got leaked in the Discord, or if you're live streaming anything, and if you are facing the issue of pop-ups in the game, or if your game is automatically blocking the pop-ups, how you can fix all that issue. Now in order to fix that, just simply go to the settings, or just simply here search for turn off, or simply search for focus assist, or and hit on the focus settings. Inside here you need to start this session that says start focus mode, and here you can go to the notification section to, if you don't want to enable the notification influence, so your personal chats will not reveal, or you can specify the application that you want to that you want to enable on the focus settings. For example, if I go in here, I go to notifications and I can block the notifications of Discord when in focus mode. Like in this list, I need to search for Discord and simply uh, disable it. And once you do it, you'll notice that when you are in the focus mode, here, come here and search for focus settings and just simply start the focus mode. Once you enable that, you'll notice that any of the notifications are not will not come on the screen. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.